Top 5 Best Sheet Masks. Sheet masks that can hydrate your skin like magic. It seems like every day there's a new development in how to take care of your skin. From creams and serums to toners, moisturizers, and oils, things can get complicated quickly. These facial sheet masks are designed to simplify the process a bit, as they come infused with blends of nutrients and extracts to address a number of epidermal troubles in a matter of minutes. Dermal 16 Combo Pack, a collagen essence Korean face mask. Epidermal 10-pack collagen face mask. Glam Up Sheet Mask Facial Sheet Mask. BLUMBODY Face and Forehead Wrinkle Patches. Face Story Best of 7 Facial Masks.